Hi guys, my name is Rachel and I am here to share with you a really quick haul. I am going to be redoing my bathroom and some areas in my main living space for the springtime. And so I went and I was like searching Targets and Homegoods for certain items that I wanted. I wanted to incorporate some pops of copper in my bathroom and my dining room. And so I went on the hunt for some things that I saw hauled on here on YouTube and then some things that I saw in catalogs. So I'm going to start off with my really big items that I went searching for. And in the Target dollar spot, I found this copper wastebasket, and then I found a gold one. I was looking for more of the copper ones, but then I wasn't able to find them, but there was no way I was going to leave this one because they were only $3, and so there was just no way I was leaving them. I don't know that I'll be using this as a wastebasket. I believe I'll be putting fruit in this because in the summertime we do a lot of grab-and-go fruit, and so this will be about the size that I would need for apples and oranges and things like this. So I think that that's what these are going to serve as instead of as wastebaskets. And I do like to mix my metals, and so, again, I wasn't going to leave that gold one. And then for my bathroom, I found this awesome wall shelf, and I absolutely love this. When I saw it, I just fell in love, and I was even more in love when I saw the price on it because it was red tagged. And I am going to use this for our washcloths. Summertime comes pool season and my children are in and out of the shower literally all day. And so, yes, we have to increase the amount of towels that we have available in our bathroom. So that's what I will use that one for. And then my last copper item was this amazing tray that has a ding on this side. But we're going to make this work because they offered it to me at a great price. And so I went with it. It was $8. Absolutely love this. This is going into my dining room. Because like I said, I just wanted to put pops of copper in different rooms. And I want the entire house to have the basic same theme. And so that's the accent that I'm doing for the springtime. It's going to be copper. So I'm super excited about that. And then the other things that I went searching for were more smaller items from the Target dollar spot. And I went searching for these water bottles. I can't tell you how much I love these things. I love spray bottles anyway, but in the summertime, there are so many different things that we need spray bottles for. I like to dilute their bug mist, and that is with Skin So Soft and a little bit of water. This is going to be perfect. I'll be able to have one in the car, one downstairs, one upstairs, just everywhere. And I'll be able to spray them. And so that's what I'm intending to use most of these for. But then I have one that I have a duplicate of, and that's this green and pink one. And I plan on using this right here for another purpose. I'm not going to use this for bug spray. I am going to designate each one of these for something else when it comes to spray. Oh, no, I remembered. I wasn't going to designate this one because this one says So Fresh and Clean. I was going to use this one as a cleaning bottle because it says it's for cleaning, and I was going to use the other ones for my bug spray kind of mist. And then for my laundry room, I got these hanging chalkboard signs, and I'm so happy with these. I also got these with the pre-designated signs, and they say cleaner, fabric softener, stain remover, all of those things. And so I'm going to put these on my jars in my laundry room. And then also for my spring cleaning, I got this incredibly cute little clipboard with the list for spring cleaning, a checklist for spring cleaning. How cute is that? And why was this $1? I couldn't believe, I thought this was going to be at least $3, but it was $1. I was so happy. There was only one of them. I would have purchased these for my sisters if there was more than one. That was a great deal. And then I also got these wooden clothespins. We will more than likely be using these in our homeschool room to hang up artwork. I am not going to use these for actual clothes. I'm going to put a line in our classroom, and we are going to use these for artwork because I thought these were super cute. I got the colored ones and I got the white ones. I'm really excited about those. I love anything wooden. And then lastly, what I purchased was 2 of these hamburgers. They are wooden hamburgers. I also purchased the carrot, but my son has the other 2 in his kitchen already. And he has been making burgers for everyone. These are so super cute. I just love wooden toys. The Melissa and Doug toys are some of my favorite. But this is so cute because it is a stackable burger. The pin comes out, the pickle, and they can stack it right back inside. And you have the top bun, the Swiss cheese. How cute is that? You have some lettuce, tomato, another slice of cheese, an onion, which seems to be my favorite thing in this entire stack. Then you have your burger and your bottom bun. I love, love, love this set. And the carrot is the very same way, but you just have the different stackable layers of the sliced up carrot. And he loves to do the slicing with his Melissa and Doug Velcro items. So this will just be in addition to that because he really does love to cook. And this will be great for his summertime grilling. So those are all the things that I got from on my home decor haul. I am so excited about the spring. The winter was not long, but the last few days we've been getting a lot of reminders of the winter time. And so I think I'm just ready for spring and summer. And so I think that at least in my house I can be there. So I am preparing, and I will definitely share with you how I use these things in my home. My bathroom, I'm doing a complete makeover in there. And then my dining room, I'm just going to change it out a little bit for my springtime decor. And I also have a closet that I'm going to make into my hair storage kind of area, but then it's going to double as a guest closet as well. So I have to have everything secured so it doesn't look like chaos. So I'm really excited about all of that. So I will definitely keep you up to date with that. And I would love to know if you are doing any new changes for your home this spring, because spring means new beginnings, new everything, and I love it. So I look forward to your comments below, and I will talk to you again very soon. Bye, guys.